Hey Christina, it's Pam. I was heading up to bed and I saw your message. And so I can't send you the video because the file is way too large. So you should have it in the classroom. So like, for example, like Act 1, Scene 1. Um, Hopefully, if you had it copied from my class, it's all right here. Like, so that's Act 1, Scene 1, Act 1, Scene 2. So if you click on it, you have a couple of different ways you can do things. But if you go to this little toggle where it says settings and you download it, that will download up to your computer. So it's starting there. Like it's downloading. So once I download there, so I just did that, it's completed. It does it super quick. Then let's say I'm going into my class, which I need to open that up really quick. But if I go in and open up my Class Connect session, so I'll throw that in there for like my class tomorrow just to show you. Like it's super easy to do. But, okay, so I just pulled up. So this is, I have to open up in Chrome. But, go to Class Connect. So, weekly. Alright, so tomorrow is, what's tomorrow? The 15th? Or today's the 15th. Tomorrow's the 16th. So, let's say throw it in there. So I'm just opening it like I normally would open a class. So confirm. All right. So then my tools are go into files. So I already have my scene in there for tomorrow that I'm going to show, but I'm going to add a file. And what I just downloaded is right here. It's the very first thing that I did because it was just in there. And then I'm going to click it. And it takes like just a second, so I'm gonna pause the video, but like it says uploading, so it'll take just a minute to do, so I'm gonna pause. All right, so here's the video that I uploaded. It took, since I already have a video in here, it took a little bit longer. It took maybe like 4 minutes to upload, but it still was fairly quick. So I'm gonna press play and then record that and then just play. And it's the video and it should play for you pretty well. It's pretty like smooth and I mean there's not a lot of issues in there. But that's how I downloaded it. So hopefully it's that easy for you. It should take you maybe like 5 minutes for both to download it and then upload it into Class Connect. If you have questions, let me know.